Here's how to copy a table from ChatGPT to Microsoft Word without losing formatting. When you copy a table from ChatGPT into Word, the layout often breaks. First, locate the table inside ChatGPT. Click the Copy button from the top right corner of the table. Now open your Microsoft Word document. Place your cursor where the table should go. Right-click and under Paste options, choose Keep Source Formatting. This keeps the table structure and alignment intact. If the table loses its formatting, includes math equations, or you need to copy and paste multiple tables from the entire conversation, you can export everything in one click using the ChatGPT to Word or PDF extension. You'll find the extension link in the description to install. After installing it, refresh the ChatGPT page. The export buttons will appear. To export a single response that contains tables, click the word Export button below the ChatGPT message. To export multiple tables from the entire conversation, use the word Export button at the top right. Now you can see the entire conversation with all tables and text preserved. In extension settings, you can also choose whether to export only ChatGPT responses or include user prompts as well during the entire conversation export. Next, to export only a specific message, enable selection mode. Choose the required responses for export and click the word Export button at the top right. The file downloads with the tables fully preserved, including layout, spacing, and formatting. Open the downloaded file in Word. Your tables now appear exactly as they do in ChatGPT. That's it. This is how you can copy tables from ChatGPT to Word without any formatting issues. Like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.